Making money online is breathtaking, and most people are evolving around the world into making money online as they no longer want to leave their home before they make a lot of money. Which is the reason why I'm here for you. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can self-click your mobile app on Admob without getting banned or whatsoever. So let's get straight to the tutorial. But before then, welcome to Tech Kings, the channel that teaches you how to make money online from tech skills. So please do make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell button so as to get notified of our new videos whenever it's released. So straight to the video. Good day guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to be showing you some common mistakes you make in self-clicking and how to correct them. So do make sure you watch from beginning to the end and don't skip any path. So let's just go to the app I created for the purpose of this class, Twitter clone. So let's wait for it to load. It's loading. Okay, this app was created just for self-clicking, so it cannot be uploaded to Play Store. So I placed the ads in the bottom below. So if you have a strong network, it should show now. Yes, as you can see, it's showing now. Look at it. Urinary prostrate, blah blah blah. So you could see the ad sign is showing I, so it's showing no VPN yet. So as you can see, so the common mistake you guys make is just clicking on the ads direct, but you don't do that. So that's one of the mistake I'm pointing you to, which we'll be correcting in this video. So close the app and go and download either Windscribe, NordVPN, or any type of VPN you have, but I will recommend Windscribe to you. So I'm just going to open the Windscribe and I will point to a mistake you guys always make on Windscribe also. So you like placing the Windscribe to a location of USA just because it has ICPC and you get a lot of dollars from it. No, they will catch you that way because you are from Nigeria and you are using a VPN. So you can use Austria, Canada, or any country. So I'm going to use Canada, Montreal now. So you could use any other location outside USA or with USA interchangeably. So and make sure it turns to green. Once it turns to green and is stable, then your VPN is set. Now you can see it's set to 500 already with full strength. So I'm just going to go to the app. That's another mistake you guys always make. So once your VPN is on, you always run straight to the app. No, you don't run to the app. This is another mistake. This is mistake number 2, which we are going to be correcting. You can't just go to the app direct. Once your VPN is on, you will be caught. So first thing is to go to your settings, then scroll down and click on Google. Where is it? Okay, there it is. There is it. Let me show you. This Google. So you click on Google. There is a drop down menu option that states ads, autofill, and all that. So what we are interested in is the ads. There you go. This is the ads. So you click on ads, then you reset the advertising ID. What did I say? You reset the advertising ID as many times as possible, either 5 or 6 or 7 times. So take note of this number down below. You see that it's going to be changing. It's going to be changing. So let me just, you see now it's ending with 8D under. Let me show you. You see, so take note of the next number it is going to be showing. You can see now it changed to DA8. So I'm going to refresh it again. It's changed to C8D. I refresh again. It's changed to E40, and thereabouts. Refresh it again. It changed to 45C. So once you've done that, the next thing, some of you will still rush to your app. No, don't rush to the app. What you want to do is to try to set something, but let me show you. You still run. Some of you will still rush to the app. Yeah, there are still settings you're supposed to do on the app. So you're supposed to clear the storage and the cache memory of the app before going there. Also, you need to download Brave browser or Tor browser, which you use to be clicking your ads. Then you need to be clearing them most often. So we're just going to clear our Twitter clone app. So application, then you clear the storage and clear the cache. First of all, clear the cache memory. Then once you clear the cache memory, then you clear the storage also. Then you close every other pane, leaving only your Windscribe browser. Close every other app you've opened with Nigerian IP address. Then you go straight to your app. And then the ads will display down below. You will see the ads have changed. The I sign will change due to the presence of a windscribe, so it shows that you are in another location entirely. So you are going to see what I'm saying. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you can see down below the ads is live, is showing live, and you see the sign of the ads. It has changed. It was I before, but it has changed due to the change in location. So you are just going to go now to set your screen display time to about 30 minutes. I think that's the maximum. Assuming there's 1 hour, I could have said you should set it to 1 hour, so set it to 30 minutes. Then you come back to your app and leave it to create auto impression for about 30 minutes. Why is it so? You leave it like that for it to be showing, because Google knows that most ads are not clicked instantly. So once you've done that, you make sure you wait till the 30 minutes elapse. If possible, do another 30 minutes. Then you close the app, close everything, off your data, off your windscribe browser, VPN, close everything, clear the storage, and wait for another 1 hour before you click. So the next 1 hour again, you are permitted to click only one ad. So you clear everything, and you can click after 1 hour. Click only one ads. Don't click banner interstitial ads. Click only banner ads. That one down is a banner ad. So then make sure you don't check your Admob account the same day. Make sure it's the second day. I repeat, make sure you check every second day. Like now you click today, check it the second day. So you just type your Google Admob checking, and then you check. Make sure it's not daily. So I've warned you, don't come to me and say Tech Kings, my heart is not showing you. So this will bring us to the end of today's video. Do make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so as to get notified of our new videos. Until next time, we'll see you again. Goodbye and God bless you. Remember